A very warm good morning, dear students. We were just dealing with the chapter Gogol's first day, and I think you might have understood this chapter very clearly. Gogol's first day, okay. And we were just dealing with the exercise, understanding the text. We had seen all the answers, and I think we were on exercise number B, that is the think and answer. So let us see those answers. Okay. First one, Miss Lapidus notes the reason being. The nod means she accepts. What does she accepts? See, you have seen that Ashogi was telling the name. Okay, he was suggesting the name to Gogol. That is, what was the name? He was suggesting Nigil. Nigil was the name suggested by Ashogi to Gogol. And what does she accepts? Okay, the nod means so. Then Miss Lapidus, the principal, she was ready to accept that name. She nods her head. Okay, in order to accept that. Okay, I have no problem, no objection to accept that name. Actually we can say that she was accepting to that name. She was actually accepting the name. So that's why she was just nodding her head. So the nod means she accepts, and what does she accepts? Gogol name. That means she was accepting the another name for Gogol, that is Nigil, and it was suggested by Ashogi and his wife. Okay, so that was the reason. And second, she then asked for the reason. Reason for what? Reason for what? She then asked for the reason. She asked for the reason why they are suggesting two names. One name already is there for Gogol, that is Gogol itself, and why they are seeking for another name, that is Nigil. What is the need of that? Already he is having one name, that is good. No, Gogol, that is a good name. There is no problem with that name. So why don't you use that name? And she asked like that. Okay. Then she then asked for the reason why you are giving him another name, Nigil. What is the reason? So that is the reason she asked it. Is Ashogi able to explain the reason? What does he say, and what effect does it have on Miss Lapidus? We can see. Is Ashogi able to explain the reason? What does he say, and what effect does it have on Miss Lapidus? Ashogi and they are not able to fully explain the reason why they are giving him this name, this particular name. They are not able to fully make Miss Lapidus understand that why they are giving this name. So they were just actually they are just at the end they are telling that we have given this name simply because we like this name. So we are just putting we wish. Simply we wish this name. We liked this name, so we are just putting this name. So we like to have like to call him as Nikhil in the school by teachers and the students. So we have made that name and we have put him that name. So that's the reason they are just suggesting. I think. So I think there was the sixth question, which was from understanding the text. Sixth question. Can you guess from paragraph 35 the what little Gogol found especially interesting in school? I think that we did not discuss. I think, right? Yes. Okay, we can just take okay. Paragraph 35. What all things we can find? Okay. See, Gogol's education starts. Then what happens? So he at the top of a sheets of scratchy pale yellow paper he writes out his pet name, that is Gogol. Again and again he writes this name, and as well as the alphabet in capital and lowercase. Okay, he learns to add, subtract, and to spell his first word. So he is able to do that, and on the front covers of his textbooks he writes his name in pencil. So in the front covers of his textbooks, he usually you also do that. He writes down his names with pencil, and you know that his favorite class was the art class, and there he used to be very happy. Okay, he was very happy when there was the art class. So he was very happy to attend this class. That's why it is written here. In art class, his favorite hour of the week, he carves his name with the paper clips into the bottoms of clay cups and bowls. Okay, he just carves his name with the paper clips into the bottoms of clay cups and bowls. Okay, he used to carve his name with the paper clips into the bottoms of clay cups and bowls, and he pastes uncooked pasta onto cardboard and leaves his signature in fat brush strokes below painting. Okay, he pasted uncooked pasta onto cardboard and leaves his signature in fat brush strokes below paintings. Okay, and he used to show these things. Okay, day after day he brings his creation home to Ashima, his mother, who hangs them proudly on the refrigerator door. Gogol G. Okay, he signs his work in the lower right hand corner as if there were a need to distinguish him from any other Gogol in the school. So that is what he used to do. He used to bring his no, that means findings and discoveries, the carvings and all these things to Ashima, and she used to keep those things into the near to the refrigerator and so on. Okay, proudly on the refrigerator door she used to keep. So that is what you see from this story. Actually, we get the message that it is not the name that important, but the person is important. So the child. So we should not worry about the name what we are having, but it is our personality and our attitude, those morality. All these things are giving us the name. Actually, it is not the written name or called name, so-called name that is important, but it is our personality and attitudes that gives us the identity, we can say. That is the actual identity of us. So we need to keep up that identity. Okay, so that is what we need to understand from this chapter. And so we move to the exercise number B, second one. Then it's settled. Can you write your name on this piece of paper? What do you think Miss Lapidus decides when she is unable to understand what a good name is, and the boy's father is unable to explain it to her? Okay, choose the correct answer. She decided to reject the boy's application for admission. She decided to find out what name the boy himself wishes to have. Okay, she decides to report the matter to higher authority. See, actually, Miss Lapidus wants to know what is the interest, what is the actual interest of Gogol. Does he like to call in the name that is given by his own parents? What was the name? The name which was given to him, or which was suggested by his parents, was Nigil, and which was not at all liked by Gogol. So that is the reason. So she wants to know actually who Miss Lapidus, the principal. She wants to check, or she wants to know that whether he like this name or not. He likes this name or not. Which name? Nikhil. So she wants to know that, and according to that she wants to act. Actually, that is the story all about. Okay. So we can say that the answer will be B, that is, she decides to find out what the name the boy himself wishes to have. Okay, that will be the correct answer. Then, now appreciating the text, I think I had told you. See, the three characters in the text are adjusting to new situations, and each of them responds in different ways. Read the text again and fill in this table. That you can do by yourself. See, first of all, Gogol, we take the situation. What is the situation? So he is going first time to the school, and what we can say? He is meeting with the principal, school's principal Lapidus, Miss Lapidus, and then he was not responding to the questions which are asked by Miss Lapidus. Okay, So actually he doesn't like the situation. He doesn't like the name which was given by his parent, that is Nikhil. And see, and how he responds, he doesn't know, as if he doesn't know the name. The name, he is not familiar with that name Nikhil at all. So that is the thing we can find in this chapter. I think you might have understood this part. We can just move to the grammar. So these characters and this Ashogi, Miss Lapidus, all these things you can just go through and you can just find out those answers. I think it is, no, you might have understood this part, all of you. Right, let us move to the next one, that is the grammar and usage part. Let us briefly summarize what we have learned so far about articles. And I think you might have learned about these articles, no? I need not explain to you these articles, definite and indefinite article, all these things you might have learned. Right? No? The grammar part, you have learned this about the articles before also, and you are well aware of these articles. Which are the articles? The. The is a definite or indefinite article. Dha. So the is called in two ways. Okay. So whenever there is a vowel sound beginning, no, that is actually with a vowel sound, then we can just so as we say that when it is start with a vowel sound, we use a or an. Vowel sound is we say not a apple, but we call it as an apple. No, we call it because it is there is a vowel sound is there. So we call that an apple. An apple only, not a apple. Same way, when we use dha and the, same only, the, the. So it can be pronounced in two ways. When there is this what we can say, vowel sound, okay. When there is a vowel sound, okay, then we can call the apple. So it is not the apple, but it will be the apple. Or elephant. Elephant we say an elephant, not a elephant, but it will be an elephant. Same way here, it will not be the elephant, but it will be the elephant. So please just see the differences as we pronounce. When you write, there is no difference. When we pronounce, there is of course the difference is there. So please follow that also. Okay, we can just see this what is given in the text. Let's briefly summarize what we have learned so far about articles. So that's just okay. They are just summarizing only. It is not a detailed manner. It is not mentioned here because you might have learned already. You have learned in the grammar part of this now. So there is no problem. So let us move to this article. When and how we use them. One unspecified thing beginning with a consonant sound. Okay, that is we use to sit under a tree here. One unspecified thing only, not specified thing. So beginning with a consonant sound. That is also you see that it is beginning with a consonant sound. The other one we have told that is beginning with the vowel sounds. Okay. Now mention for the first time. Mention for the first when something is mentioned for the first time. I watched a film last night. That is first time. And countable. And class or category of things. Class or category of things. A soldier is unafraid of pain. Class or category. So that is a category of things. No, class or category of things. A soldier is unafraid of pain. So that is they are a special class, category. They are specially trained people. Okay, we move to the next ones. Article and. When and how we use them. So first one we can see one unspecified thing, and also is used for that. An unspecified thing beginning with a vowel sound. So beginning with a vowel sound we use this one. No, one unspecified thing beginning with a vowel sound. So mentioned for the first time. So that may be an apple. So okay, or whatever may be. It was an advertisement jingle. So it may be mentioned for the first time. The next one is countable. Countable, which can be now, it is the article, when it is, which can be counted. Countable. Class or a category of things, only singular. Class or category of things, you can see. An orange belongs to the citrus family. So an orange. So when we are speaking about a category, class or category, okay, of things, only singular, an orange belongs to the citrus family. That is what it is given now. Okay, we move to the next one. The one or more than one specific thing. The river flows eastward. One or more than one specific thing. Already mentioned or not? Already mentioned or not? The houses are built with mud. Already mentioned or not only? The houses are built with mud. Unique or one of its kind. Unique or one of its kind. The moon sheds a silvery, okay, silvery light. You see the moon sheds, so that is unique. Moon is all, no, you know that it is something unique only. And a special little or name of rivers, books, ships, countries, etc. Okay, the Bahamas are in the West Indies. So it is when you are specially mentioning some of the names, rivers, books, and ships, countries, etc. We use the. And also a class or category, only singular. Class or category, that is only singular. The lion hunts in a group. There is a class or category, only in a singular. Class or category. The lion hunts in a group. So then zero articles, names of persons or places, classes or categories of things, countable, only plural or uncountable. So you see that names of persons, zero articles, names of persons, place, or classes or categories of things, countable, only plural, uncountable. See. Now, Amartya Sen is a Nobel laureate for economics. Elephants are the largest mammals on the land. Coffee is more harmful than milk. Now we are just we have just learned about these articles. Now we are just having some exercise. You can do first. You try by yourself, and then you just listen. Okay. So first you will be just trying by yourself how will you find these answers, and you will be just seeing. You can find very simple only. So first one, you certainly need an older person to escort you. Thus already an is given, no? You certainly, first article is given. You certainly need an older person to escort you. So because it is a older is given there. So before that the article will be an only, because it is a beginning with a vowel sound. So that will be an older person to escort you on the track. So on the track only. Now the next one, dash bookshop not only had a dash books, it also had a dash magazines. So three articles are there. Okay, so how will you write there? First one, what are you going to write there first? The bookshop. So it will be the bookshop. The bookshop not only had zero articles, books, no, you write zero articles. The bookshop not only had zero article books, it also had zero article again magazines. The books not only had books, bookshop. The bookshop not only had books, it also had magazines. Okay, it's okay, fine. Let's move to the next, the third one. I enjoy writing poems. My sister likes to play dash piano. So what you can write there in the first place? I enjoy writing poems. Zero article will be there. Zero articles. My sister likes to play the piano. So it will be the piano. I enjoy writing poems. My sister likes to play the piano. Now, fourth one. Take dash walk in park. You will feel better. So you can write there. Take dash. Now what do you write there? What is shooting there? So you can write that take a walk. Take a walk. Take a walk in the park. You will feel better. You will feel better. Take a walk. Take a walk. Now, ask me without dash hesitation when you have a question. Ask me dash hesitation. What do you write there? Ask me without zero article. Ask me without hesitation when you have a question. So when you have a question, it will be. Okay. So sixth one, it already feels like. So will there be it all article? It already feels like.